नॉर्मल से।
नमस्कार, जोहार, जय सो दोस्तों। तो मेरे इस यूट्यूब चैनल के नए वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। तो आज है दोस्तों 20 दिसंबर। तो आज हमारे कॉलेज में ओथ सेरेमनी और क्रिसमस गैदरिंग है दोस्तों। तो हम लोग बहुत इंजॉय करने वाले हैं और इस चैनल पर बहुत सारा वीडियो आएगा दोस्तों। तो अगर आप चैनल में नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, जिससे कि आज का जितना वीडियो आए दोस्तों वो नोटिफिकेशन के जरिए आप तक पहुँच पाए। तो दोस्तों ज़्यादा देर ना करें तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं।
सभी स्टाफ हम लोग यहाँ पे एकत्रित हुए हैं कैपिंग समारोह के लिए। कैपिंग जो एक मतलब एक सिंबल ही नहीं है, यहाँ से आप लोग एक नोबल जॉब में इंटर कर रहे हैं। जो जैसा हम लोग बोलते हैं कि नर्सिंग जो है हॉस्पिटल या क्लिनिकल फील्ड का रीढ़ की हड्डी होती है, मतलब बैकबोन। तो जैसे बैकबोन बहुत मजबूत होता है, उसी तरह आप लोगों को भी अपने अंदर एक मजबूती लाना होगा। और ये मजबूती तभी आएगा जब आप लोग इस प्रोफेशन से जुड़ेंगे, इसको जानेंगे और अपने अंदर एक विश्वास पैदा करेंगे। क्योंकि जो मरीज आपके हाथों में आएंगे, आपके पास आएंगे, वो या तो खुशी में आएंगे या फिर किसी ट्रेजेडी में आएंगे। तो दोनों स्थिति में आप लोग की बहुत आवश्यकता पड़ेगी और आवश्यकता तभी पूर्ति हो सकती है जब आप अंदर से मजबूत रहेंगे, क्योंकि गम और खुशी दोनों एक साथ हैंडल करना है। तो जब आप अंदर से मजबूत रहेंगे तभी दोनों चीज़ों को एक साथ हैंडल कर सकते हैं। तो उसके लिए आपकी मानसिक स्थिति बहुत ही मजबूत होनी चाहिए। तो ये जो ट्रेनिंग होता है इसमें इन सभी चीज़ों का इंक्लूड होता है तो उसमें आप लोगों को मानसिक स्थिति पे बेहद फोकस करना है, क्योंकि मानसिक स्थिति से ही आगे की सफलता मतलब ये होनी है या नहीं होनी है, उससे उसी पर निर्भर करती है। और आगे कार्यक्रम जल्दी आप लोग करिए और बहुत अच्छे से किए हैं, बहुत काफ़ी मेहनत किए हैं, काफ़ी छोटे छोटे चीज़ों पे आपने बहुत ध्यान दिया है, बहुत माइन्यूटली एक एक चीज़ों को जोड़ा है, इसके लिए बहुत बधाई, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir, for your valuable message. I hope our students will follow your opinion and utilizing in their clinical duties and college life. Thank you.
Our director sir and our chief guests and all dignitaries in the dais, estimated faculty members and all our students. Good afternoon to one and all. It gives me immense pleasure and a deep sense of pride to welcome you all for this lamp lighting and capping ceremony. It is a very significant milestone in the life of a nursing student. We begin this solemn occasion with the lighting of the lamp, which symbolizes the light of knowledge, wisdom and service. As nurse, you are the barrier of this light, bring hope, heal and compassion to those who are in need. The lamp also reminds us the Florence Nightingale, the lady with the lamp, who continue to work and inspire the nursing profession worldwide. The capping ceremony makes you formal induction into the noble profession of life. From today onward, you are not just student, but caregiver entrusted with the responsibility of the caregiving of humanity. With skill, empathy, and ethical commitment, the cap you receive today is a symbol of dignity, discipline, responsibility, and professional identity. Dear student, nursing is not merely a profession, it is a calling. It demands a dedication, patience, sacrifice, and a compassionate heart. As you step into a clinical practice, and it remembers that your gentle touch, kind word, and sincere care can bring comfort and healing beyond medication. I take this opportunity to thank our respected management, faculty members, and clinical partners for their unwavering support in shaping our students into compassionate profession. I also extend my sincere gratitude to the parents for their trust and encouragement. My dear students, wear your cap with pride and carry the lamp of service with high. Let integrity be your pride, compassion, your strength and knowledge. May you always uphold the values and ethics of the nursing profession and bring honor to the institution and to your nation. With this word, I once again congratulate all the students and wish you a bright, successful and meaningful journey in nursing. Thank you and God bless you all.
Moving forward to next program, capping ceremony. Now beginning the capping ceremony. This capping shows that our student nurse is ready to serve the people. So I request student batch wise, first BSc 2024 to move forward to receive candle light, followed by 2024 GNM. So for lamp lighting and Principal ma'am and Ashwini ma'am. CNN student for capping ceremony. That's 2024. Sarita ma'am. Next, we request Sarita ma'am and Ashwini ma'am to take over.
2025 AC students are requested to come and take their cameras.
moving from lab lighting to oath ceremony, let's call Principal Ma'am for saying oath, and the students will be repeating the oaths.
myself before God, and in the presence of this assembly, to pass my life in purity, and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is harmful and mischievous, and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drugs. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession, and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping, and all family affairs coming to my knowledge, in the practice of my calling, with loyalty will I endeavor to aid the physician in their work, and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care.
Showers of blessing, send them upon us, O Lord. Grant to us now a refreshing. Come and now honor the word. Showers of blessing we need. Mercy drop round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. Showers of blessing we need. Mercy drop round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead.
Thank you, batch 2024. Now I request batch 2025 to sing their song.
After you, you alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship you. You alone are my strength, my shield. To you alone may my spirit yield. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship you. I want you more than gold or silver, only you can satisfy. You alone are the real joy giver and the apple of my eye. You alone are my strength, my shield. To you alone may my spirit yield. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship you. You're my friend and I love you more than any other, so much more than anything. You alone are my strength, my shield. To you alone may my spirit yield. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship you.
Thank you, batch 2025. As you have taken an oath by saying that you will take care of sick ones before your family members and regarding about your sickness. So, whenever it comes to taking care of sick ones, you have to be don't give complaints about yourself. First, take care of sick ones, as Florence Nightingale have did. She have while in the why it is called Lady Lamb. Okay, as she was taking care of sick ones who were injured during the war, so you should take lamp and you should take care of sick ones at the night. She used to take the after the completion of doctors who used to visit during the daytime. After that, there were no ones to take care of the sick ones. So nursing begins from the Florence Nightingale, as she has taken herself forward to take care of sick ones of the soldiers, as it was night time, no one is there to take care of the soldiers. So the Florence Nightingale came forward by taking a lamp and moved forward to take care of sick ones, and brought happy moments for, as you know that if you are in trouble, so you need someone help. If someone comes and help you, you feel happy now. So similarly, at that time, Florence Nightingale came forward with the lamp, and she trained group of members. So along with group of members, Nightingale came forward and took care of sick ones. Thank you.